ஹாய் ஹலோ வணக்கம் அண்ட் வெல்கம் யூ பேக் டு மை சேனல் டூ வீல்ஸ் ட்ராவல் வாண்டரர். நான் உங்கள் பிரின்ஸ் சாலமன். போன வீடியோவில் நம்ம என்ன பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா, நான் புதுசாக வாங்கியிருந்த GoPro Hero 9 அதை பற்றியும், அது கூட கொஞ்சம் ஆக்சசரிஸ் நான் வாங்கியிருந்தேன் அதை பற்றியும் பார்த்தோம். ஸோ அடிஷ்னலாக நான் நிறைய ஆக்சசரிஸ் நான் வாங்கியிருக்கேன். ஸோ அதை பற்றி இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம இப்போ பார்ப்போம். ஸோ வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். அண்ட் ஒன் மோர் திங், ஸோ அன்பாக்சிங் அப்புறம் ஆக்சசரிஸ் எல்லாமே நான் டிஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணும்போது அது இங்கிலீஷில் இருக்கும். ஸோ நிறைய பேர் வந்து இங்கிலீஷில் வேணும்னு கேட்டிருந்தாங்க, கொஞ்சம் பேர் தமிழில் வேணும்னு கேட்டிருந்தாங்க. ஸோ அதுக்காக நான் இங்கிலீஷ் தமிழ் ரெண்டுமே கலந்து நான் வந்து சொல்லியிருப்பேன். ஸோ ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் ப்ளீஸ் ஃபுல்லாக பாருங்கள். ஓகே, ஸோ ஹியர் இஸ் மை GoPro and the door which I have ordered from Ulanzi. Okay, so for GoPro Hero 9 Black we have the door on the right hand side. So I'm just going to remove this door. Okay, it's simple. So when we compare this door with the Ulanzi one, the GoPro's door is actually heavy. It's heavy enough, and as you can see inside, the build quality of GoPro is fine, fully rubber with thermocol stopper for the battery. Okay, but here if you see it for the Ulanzi, so this is fully plastic and you have a thermocol stopper for the battery. So we'll try to fix this in GoPro. So it's the other way. The GoPro door you need to remove from the bottom and flip it out from the top, and this Ulanzi door you'll have to do it the other way. So click it towards the bottom and close it towards the top. That's it, fixed. Okay, and as you can see here you have a hole. That's why I have ordered this door from Ulanzi for GoPro, to use my mic adapter without removing the door. And please do keep it in mind, the moment you have detached the actual GoPro door from GoPro, it's not waterproof. So if it is snowy or if it is raining, please remember that this is not waterproof, and you'll have to either change back the door or else you'll have to keep the GoPro in your pocket or in your bag. Now we'll try to attach the media mod, the mic adapter. Okay, so if you want to detach the door, okay, so we'll have to open it from the top and detach it from the bottom. So the actual door attaching is from the top and closing it on the bottom. Okay, this is how it works. So Ulanzi is just the upside down. That's the actual difference. So I just plugged my both batteries. So as you can see, yellow indications, which means both the batteries are charging. So once it is charged, the yellow indication will turn to green. That means it is fully charged and the battery is full. So obviously I'll share link, okay, so that you can also purchase it from there. So I'm a student is also a good website. After Amazon, Flipkart, like this is good. Okay, so here is it, Ulanzi G94. Okay, it's a plastic cage for GoPro, same as in we also have a metal cage from Ulanzi. Okay, so metal cage is like around 5,500. This one I got it in offer for 1190. Okay, and here I'll share you the link in the description, you can find it. Okay, this is nice. This cage is good. So as you can see, we have extra mounts for the mic which is detachable. So we can detach the mic mount or the light mount. We have a slot at the bottom for the mic adapter, and the GoPro gets in here. So let me try to open it. Okay, flip it to the right. Okay, I'm taking it out. Flip towards the right and the cage opens. Fine, let's try to put the GoPro into it and the adapter and see how it actually is looking. Okay, about all the accessories, okay, let me gonna show you what all the accessories I have additionally for GoPro. So these are all the mount kits. Okay, let
me take it out from the cover so that it will be viewable to you. So these are all the additional mount I have. Like this is for the tripod mount. I'm gonna keep it displayed everything, like the tripod mount with the screw, the normal joints, screws, clamps, okay, screws and the clamps. Then I have the Boya mic. So this we saw about Boya mic in our previous video. My actual GoPro. Let me take it out of the cover. So I like to protect things, so each and every product, whatever you see here, okay, everything will be protected. So I'll place it in a cover and that's how it will be. So I like to maintain things. Cable. So the GoPro mic adapter. The actual GoPro clips, which came with this package, the GoPro clip and the screw, battery charging case. I mean, it's the additional battery charging place, so this is essential. So if you're on a long travel and if you're recording, okay, so this is obviously essential, the additional battery charging case, additional battery again, long mount or the sleeve mount for the chin, the actual GoPro's original door. So I am using the Ulanzi door, which has a hole for the adapter. Okay, so anyhow I'll remove this and I will place this GoPro into the cage which we brought, okay, the Ulanzi plastic case. So let us try to place the GoPro into it. And the GoPro goes into it. Okay, the door, I mean the battery door needs to be opened. GoPro goes in. Case is closed. So I should not have the back door for this. So the door which I purchased from Ulanzi, that is not going to be useful for this. But anyhow, if someone is not using a mic adapter and just trying to record it, so this might be useful. So as you can see, the original GoPro door, okay. As an optional, I have got everything, the original door and the Ulanzi's extra door. Without the door, I am going to place the GoPro in here. So this actually acts as a door, holds the battery good. It has a clip lock, as you can see here. So this thermocol here stops the battery, and exactly you have the hole for the mic adapter. Closing the back door, so you can use it. The touchscreen works, the power button also works, and the water drainer is here. So even this is detachable, I guess. Yes. So if you are using any lens mod, okay, then this will be useful, or else we can keep it out. Okay, this is how it goes in. So it got fixed and the adapter is placed in here. That's it. So this is the actual use of this cage. As you can see, this has a strong plastic mount. So now the Boya mic or whatever mic you use, okay, since you are using this mic adapter, even a 200 rupees mic will be working, but you need a TRRS to DRS converter for normal mics to be working. But for a Boya mic, okay, this will be working perfectly. This also has the mic hole, top hole for the mic, and the shutter button and the mode power button. Try to turn it on and see how it is. Cool. So when you have this case along with the mic adapter, so the mic adapter will be safe and nothing will happen to it, so it will not gonna slip. Yeah, that's it. Okay, and this is the cable which I have for the charging dock. And apart from that, I have some velcros, cleaning mesh, and and again some velcros, okay, like few velcros and cleaning mesh I've kept. So these are all the accessories which I have. Okay, so this is how I have set my GoPro, okay, along with the mic adapter, Boya mic, and the holder. I haven't got a shorty, so until I get a shorty, I'm gonna use this long joint, which is a long helmet joint, okay. So until I get a shorty or a selfie stick, I'll be using this long joint as a holder. This is strong enough to hold it. This is how I have set this, okay. So as you can see, I have kept the Boya mic clipped to the mic holder. Boya is a very long mic, 20-meter cable, so I have just attached it to the screw. The mic adapter fits in here. If you have any light, additional light, you can use this adapter or a place to hold the light, okay. So light holder. If in case you are getting a proper Rode or a proper Boya mic for recording, you can use this space, okay. So both are same, so you can use either the light on top and the mic on the left, or it's like some use it like the light on the left and the mic on the top for proper audio quality. Powering it on and unlocked it, checking the mic mods, preferences, mods, standard mic, okay. So in the media mod, as you can see here, the standard mic is chosen. That's what I have selected. So let's record a video and test the audio quality. So we already tested the Boya audio quality, but after using this holder in this manner, I wanted to check like how the audio will be, okay. So let me try to record something. GoPro audio test. Testing 1, 2, 3. Stop. Okay. Unlocking it. GoPro audio test. Testing 1, 2, 3. Stop. So I'll have to take it out and see how this mic is working in this setup as I have set here. Okay, whether will it be working as I expected, or else should I be buying an additional Rode mic for any interview purpose or for any recording purpose for a better audio or not. So if I take it to any windy place like a beach, or else like if there is a windy ride during my ride also, if there is a windy ride, then I'll have to check and conclude how this actually is working. As of now, I like this setup, okay. So for interviewing or for recording along with video and audio, obviously this has a mic, but the inbuilt GoPro mic does not filter the wind. So that's the reason I'm using a dead cat filtered mic.
ஸோ நீங்கள் பார்த்த எல்லா ஆக்சசரிஸுமே என்னுடைய தேவைக்காக நான் வாங்கினேன். ஸோ இதே மாதிரி உங்களுக்கு என்ன தேவை இருக்கோ அந்த தேவைக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி ஆக்சசரிஸ் வாங்கினா உங்களுக்கு காசு நிறையா சேவ் ஆகும். ஸோ அனாவசியமாக நீங்கள் பார்க்குற எல்லா ஆக்சசரிஸும் வாங்கணுன்ட்டு நெசசரி இல்லை. ஸோ இப்போ நீங்கள் வீலாகிங் பண்ணுறீங்க அப்படின்னா அப்போது நீங்கள் மைக், அப்புறம் இந்த அடாப்டர் மவுண்ட் இதெல்லாமே நீங்கள் வாங்கிக்கலாம். இல்லை நான் வீலாகிங் பண்ணல, ஜஸ்ட் ரைடை மட்டும் ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறேன், மெமரிஸ்க்காக பண்ணுறேன் அப்படின்னா ஜஸ்ட் GoPro மட்டுமே போதும். இல்லைனா GoPro வாங்க முடியாதவங்க நார்மல் ஏதாச்சும் SJ கேம் இல்லைனா நாய்ஸ் ப்ளே அந்த மாதிரி ஏதாச்சும் கேமரா நீங்கள் கூட யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம், ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு ரெக்கார்டிங் பர்பஸ்க்காக மட்டும். ஸோ இந்த வீடியோ வந்து உங்கள் எல்லாருக்குமே பிடிச்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஸோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா ப்ளீஸ் லைக், கமெண்ட் அண்ட் ஷேர். ஸோ மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிற பெல் ஐக்கனையும் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். ஸோ வேறொரு வீடியோவில் சந்திக்கும் வரை நான் உங்கள் பிரின்ஸ் சாலமன், 2 வீல்ஸ் ட்ராவல் வாண்டரர். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.